This song is not for you if you never cried a river or had your heart broken in two. This song is not for you if every day you wake up the skies are blue. But this is for anyone. No matter how you pray, the pain won't let you get through. But you try and you try, still they lie. They say that it's over for you, yeah. If you're a miracle today, and God has always made a way, if you have food to eat, a place to sleep, and you really can't complain, this song is for you. After everything you've been through, this song is for you.